Let us explore how to verify documents received in the My Invoice tab. The Received Invoices tab displays a list of all invoices assigned to accountants of your structure, whereas the My Invoice tab shows all invoices assigned to you and awaiting your actions. In this section, you can review key details necessary for accounts payable validations in the document. The data that is fetched from your ERP is seen on the right pane. If there's any difference between the data in the ERP and the vendor invoice, it is shown in red like this field here. This feature ensures that the discrepancies, if any, are highlighted, helping the accountant in reconciling the data. We'll find the information for validation in 6 different categories. The first category shows the accountant in charge of the invoice and its status. At this point, you can either view the original mail entry by clicking this button, or assign this invoice to another accountant or yourself by clicking this icon. This way you can ensure that accounts payable validations continue smoothly, even when the accountant is unavailable. This section presents supplier information sourced from your ERP. If an invoice includes a purchase order, the supplier is identified through it. In cases where no purchase order is present, the supplier is determined based on the information provided in the invoice, such as banking details. You can select another provider and ensure that the banking details match the information in your system. This section displays details of some fields of the invoice. You can change the type of document to a credit note if the reviewer at this stage wants to categorize it as a credit note. You can also manually change the option in this dropdown to Without PO if an invoice is received without a corresponding purchase order. In such a case, this purchase order section will no longer be visible. CIP also informs you if the invoice is considered a duplicate based on the invoice number. It also retrieves the PO number from the invoice and the details from the data synchronized with your ERP and will determine the vendor ID and the vendor's name. You can force a synchronization to have up-to-date purchase order information from the ERP. CIP can also manage invoice with multiple purchase orders. In case of multiple purchase orders for an invoice, use this button to select the PO and the vendor related to the invoice. This section provides data from the purchase order and the goods receipt note as recorded in the ERP and reflects the balance payable amount. You can use this icon to delete the added PO. But remember, deleting the purchase order from here only deletes it from this tab and not the ERP. Use this button to save any changes made to the invoice data. Click on the Integrate Invoice button to send the data to the ERP and create the invoice. We hope this video helped you understand the verification process.